ಜನನಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಹರಿಚಿನ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ತನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಡಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಸ್ಥರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು, ಜೀವನ ಸಾಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದೇ ದುಃಖ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇವಾಗಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಳವಡಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I study in 4th standard. My shop name is Snacks. I take a 900
Let's day in our school, the new Oxford English Residential School. Even last year also we have celebrated. This is the second time we are doing. Children are very happy with this celebration, and we too feel very happy with all the purchasing and then buying the things. So they are feeling very happy. Children are eating all the things what they like, and they are feeling very happy. So we are happy. Thank you.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹಾಕಿದೆ?
On behalf of our new Oxford English Residential High School, we are very much happy to inform that in our school we are conducting a business day, and this business day is very useful for our students for the future development. Because of this, they will come to know about the profit and sale. So this is very much useful for their lifetime process. So we are very much happy, and we must be very thankful to our management, our Kumari madam, and our staffs, and our students, especially our parents, who are supporting us in all the aspects. And next year we think definitely we will be going to some more great achievements because of this. And our parents has to support us to give grand success for this business. Thank you.
Sixth standard. This is goti masala. Rupees 15 item.
పక్కన ఎత్తే